Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this entire set for making homemade bread, like a sourdough bread kit. This has everything that you'll need. You've got a 3.6 quart Dutch oven. This thing is a heavy duty piece. It's got a nice solid lid, fits great for any sort of bread style that you're trying to do here. And it comes with everything that you need with it, including the gloves to be able to take it out of the oven. It's a nice heat resistant gloves with a really nice silicone edge on there so that way it won't fall out. You have your manual that it comes with. You've got a nice cleaning brush to get it all cleaned up. It is pre-seasoned, so you are ready to go as far as your nonstick on there. This is actually a bread separator, your dough separator, so whenever you're doing things you can cut out a certain amount of dough. You've got all of your measurements on here at the back, so that is a really nice guide for that. You have a nice little towel to be able to dry it out, get it ready to go. This is a little flour duster. If you put something on there, you can easily tap on your flour at the top. You've got your scissors to be able to cut your different areas apart. This is actually to be able to, on the top of your bread, this is like a little bread lame. You'll be able to put your lines in the top. You always see those beautiful lines. And it has 5 additional blades on there. So that is a really nice little addition. You've got your spatula and your little egg brush. This is your little bread mixer. You'll be able to mix your stuff around for your dough mixer. It's a nice stainless steel with a really good handle on here. I absolutely love these things because it helps so much with mess, and it has all of your measurements, how big you need it. So you can actually use this for a pie or any other baking as well. Just a nice silicone mat for baking. Then you also have your silicone collapsible proofing container. So you could put all of your bread in here, all your dough, then you cover it up. You get it all nice and raised, and then whenever you're done, you put it inside here, get it cooked. Then, my favorite, this actually just collapses back down for storage, which is great. Be able to store this really easy, have it put up with very little space left. It's a great kit to have for any baker, whether you're doing sourdough, French bread, anything. Put it in this nice cast iron pot and have it ready to go. The set has everything.